Hello students, this is ISI MSQE 2020 solution. I am doing the MCQ portion. This is the part 2. So suppose that there is a 30 MCQ type questions quite like this examination, and each has 4 options. For each question a student gets 4 marks for a correct answer, 0 for a wrong answer, and 1 mark for not attempting the question. Exactly the ISI's pattern. Suppose in each question the probability that option A is correct is 0.5, B is 0.3, C is 0.2 and D is 0. Wow. So two students, Gopi and Bagha, have no clue about that right answers. Gopi answers each questions randomly, that takes any of the questions, probability is 0.25. Whereas Bagha attempts each question with probability 0.5. But whenever he attempts a question, he randomly takes an option. So which of the following is correct? So this is about the expected score of the entire system. So for Gopi, marks from the correct answer, probably that the marks from the correct answer is for Gopi 0.25 or 1 by 4. So the probability that the marks of the incorrect answer right is 0.25, incorrect is 0.75. Therefore, so expectation is 30 questions, 1 by 4 into 4 options, and 0.75, 3 by 4 into, if they do it wrong, then 0, then 30 into 1. So his expected marks is 30. For Bagha, probably that he correctly answers is 1 by 2 first and then 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 8. So this is for the correct. For the wrong one, half into 3 by 4. So 3 by 8. And the probability of no attempt is given as 50%. So no attempting is 50. So no attempt is again 50%. So half. So score is 30 into 4 by 8. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. 4 by 8 plus half. 30 into, so both of them will get the same mark. So the option number greater, less, wrong, only D is correct, as both of them are getting the same marks. Next, there is a limiting question. Evaluate limit x tends to infinity e to the power 3x. It's a direct question, not much of a problem. So let y equal to e to the power 3x minus 5x whole to the power 1 by x. So log y equal to 1 by x e to the power log of e to the power 3x minus 5x. So now limit x tends to infinity, if I take both sides, log of e to the power 3x minus 3x divided by x. Okay, so e to the power 3x minus 1, so 5x by x, so 5. So answer is 3. So now log y equal to 3, y equal to e to the power 3. So the answer is A. So like very direct questions. Okay, so not very tough. So fx equal to mod of x minus 3. So obviously two values. If x greater than 3, then x minus 3 by x minus 3 1. If x greater than 3. If x less than 3, obviously it will be minus 1. At x equal to 3, this is 0. Okay. Now, so the function is a direct structure to this. So limit of x tends to 3fx actually does not exist in this case. So C is the answer. So because the denominator is 0. Now in this question, consider the following of system of equation ax, y, z. A long system of equation is given 3 variables. For what values of ABC, the above system has 0 solution. Okay. So we want to take the given matrix in this way: 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 6, minus 11, and 1, minus 2, and 7. So this matrix is presented in this way. Now if we take the vectors, so vectors will be, let the vector v1 will be 1, 2, and minus 3, 1, 2, and minus the first one. v2 is 2, 6, and minus 11. v3 is 1, minus 2, and 7. So here if we see that solving minus 5v1 if we take plus 2v2 plus v3. So let's see what happens. This thing will give you 0. So no solution of the system if 5 minus 5a plus 2b plus c not equal to 0. So 5, 2, and 1, these are the coefficients. I have got it directly and I have to put it over here. So this will fetch me the answer. So the answer to this question is option number A.